Cover your work surface with a plastic tablecloth. This project can be a bit messy, so you want to make sure the cleanup is easy. We recommend running your socks under warm water to allow the dye to soak into the socks. Make sure to wring out the excess water. With your rubber bands, tie them tightly around different areas of your socks. If you need help, ask a parent to help you. Choose your favorite color combination to dye your socks. I chose pink, blue, and purple. My brother chose red, blue, and green. For your dye, add water to your bottles and be sure to shake, shake, shake. And don't forget your gloves. Add color to your socks. Not too much, just add a little at a time. Make sure to leave some areas in your socks white. Trust me, it'll give your sock a cool effect. Ask a parent to help with this part. With some plastic wrap, wrap each sock individually and let it sit for 24 hours. Once you're finished, clean up your area with some paper towels. Have a parent wash and dry your socks. And that's it. We're excited to see what color socks you came up with. Have fun!